Shalom and welcome, brothers in the faith. You are now tuned into Standing Watch over Yashar'el, a counter-strategy guide for men under surveillance. This is not just a teaching, it's spiritual intel for the women. Each week, we expose one of the 27 espionage tactics used by the enemy to infiltrate, deceive, and neutralize the set-apart men of Yahuwah. In this war, your discernment must be sharp, your steps ordered, and your alliances holy. We're not here to react. We're here to respond with wisdom, truth, and spirit-led strategy. So grab your sword, the word of Yahuwah, and let's move with purpose. Your vigilance is your weapon. Your obedience is your shield. Let's stand watch together. SunTzu strategy number 10, having inward spies, making use of officials of the enemy. Interpretation through a modern lens, citizen spies context. Inward spies are individuals already inside the enemy's leadership, religious or organizational structure, officials, elders, pastors, administrators, or tribal heads, secretly loyal to another power. In modern applications, these are co-opted leaders or appointed agents in churches, community centers, nonprofits, and political groups. They appear to represent the interests of the community Yashar'el, but secretly serve state or fraternal agendas, such as Masonic orders or intelligence agencies. Often protected by their status, they influence decisions, suppress truth, discourage dissent, and misdirect the assembly. For men of Yashar'el, these are the false shepherds who sabotage movements from within. They may discourage prophecy, block assembly growth, or promote compromise. They often weaponize scripture to create spiritual confusion or pacifism. Spiritual threat to Yashar'el, inward spies are dangerous because they speak the language of the people. They sit in seats of authority. They appear righteous, but serve Pharaoh. Ezekiel 22:27. Her princes in the midst thereof are like wolves ravening the prey, to shed blood and to destroy souls, to get dishonest gain. 2 Corinthians 11:13-15. For such are false apostles, transforming themselves into the apostles of Christ, for Satan himself is transformed into an angel of light. These spies function as spiritual double agents. Their job is not just to report, but to reshape doctrine, redirect loyalty, and neutralize righteous men from within. Biblical parallel: Zedekiah, son of Chinonah, 1 Kings 22. A false prophet who sat among true prophets, but spoke lies to please the king and silence Micaiah, the only true prophet. Hananiah the lying prophet, Jeremiah 28. A recognized temple prophet who falsely claimed Yahoo had ended the Babylonian yoke, misleading the people and undermining Jeremiah's warning. Pharisees and Sadducees, religious leaders embedded in the temple system, but loyal to Rome and Herod. They did not just oppose Yahshua's teachings, they used their positions to influence the masses against him. Counter-strategy for Yashar'el spiritual warfare response. 1. Pray that Yahoo removes false leaders from within Yashar'el. Jeremiah 23:1-2. Woe to the shepherds who destroy and scatter the sheep of my pasture. 2. Ask for discernment to distinguish between true and false authority. 1 John 4:1. Test the spirits to see whether they are from Elohim. 3. Fast and intercede for Yahoo to raise up righteous leaders who fear him. Jeremiah 3:15. I will give you pastors according to my heart. Practical strategic response. 1. Do not idolize leadership, judge all by fruit and doctrine. 2. Encourage decentralized leadership structures and accountability councils. 3. Document and expose leaders who consistently block righteousness, protect sin, or serve other systems. 4. If possible, separate from assemblies where inward spies control the pulpit or resources. Summary. Strategy 10 recap. Espionage tactic. Infiltrating leadership with secret loyalists who mislead from within. Spiritual danger. False prophets, corrupt elders, religious manipulation. Biblical counter. Jeremiah 23:1-2, 1 Kings 22, 2 Corinthians 11:13, 1 John 4:1-1. The war we face is not always loud, but it is always real. You were not chosen to live blindfolded or bound. You were chosen to stand, to watch, and to move in wisdom. Stay anchored in the word, led by the Ruach, and never forget, Yahweh sees every scheme. He hears every whisper, and he defends those who fear him. We are not outnumbered, we are outwatched. And that's why we stand on the wall. Until next time, stay sober, stay set apart, and stay hidden in him.